I had over 200,000 subscribers and I was miserable. Everyone thinks hitting numbers like that is the goal. More views, more subscribers, more validation. But what if I told you that was the exact moment I started losing myself? In this video, I'm going to tell you why I walked away from everything I built and why I started over was the only way to save myself. At the beginning, it felt unreal. Watching the number go up, seeing people comment from different countries, feeling like I'm finally doing something big. It's addictive because for the first time, people are watching you, listening to you, validating you, and slowly you start chasing that feelings, not the purpose, not the passion, just the numbers. Here is where everything changed. What used to feel exciting started feeling like pressure. Every video had to perform. Every idea had to work. And if it didn't, you start questioning yourself. Am I not good enough? Am I falling off? Am I losing it? Do people still care? So you don't create freely anymore. You create carefully. That is the trap, because now you are no longer building something you love. You are maintaining something you are afraid to lose. At some point, I stopped recognizing myself, not physically, but mentally. I knew what kind of videos would get me views, but I didn't feel connected to them anymore. And that is a scary place to be, because on the outside, everything looks like it's working. But on the inside, you feel empty. Like you are playing a role in a life that doesn't feel like yours. That is how I felt. Be honest, have you ever felt stuck in something that you look good on the outside, but doesn't feel right inside? You don't have to explain. Just drop a reel in the comments. There was a day I sat down to film. Camera on, lights set, and I just stared at the lens. No energy, no excitement, just silence. And in that moment, I realized something. If I keep going like this, I might grow the channel, but I will lose myself completely. So I did something most people would never do. I deleted it. 200,000 subscribers, a year of work, momentum gone. Yeah, it's hot. You start thinking, what if I never get this back? What if I just made the biggest mistake of my life? But deep down, I knew staying would have been the real mistake. Something unexpected happened. Silence, no pressure, no expectation, no algorithm to impress. Just me again. And for the first time in a long time, it felt peace. No excitement, not hype, just peace. If you have the chance to restart your life without fear, without pressure, would you take it? Think about that for a second. Starting over is humbling. No audience, just you and the reason you started in the first place. But this time, it's different, because now I'm not chasing numbers. I'm building something that actually feels like me. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Success without alignment is just a slow form of burnout. It looks good, it grows fast, but eventually it drains you. And I got tired of building something that was slowly breaking me. So yeah, I deleted my 200k YouTube channel. Not because I failed, but because I finally understood that peace is more valuable than numbers. And now I'm starting over. Not to go viral, not to impress, or not to impress anyone, but to build something real. If this video hits you in any way, Like it not for me, but as a reminder to yourself. And if you are on your own journey of figuring things out, subscribe, because this time we are doing it differently. Peace out.